Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning YouTube podcast, where we help you speak English clearly, confidently, and naturally through real conversation and daily practice. I'm Emma, and I'm here with David, and today we are going to stay with you, guide you, and teach you step by step how to build strong English speaking skills from your daily life experiences.
Hello, dear learners. I'm David, and today we want you to feel like you are sitting in a real classroom with us, not just listening, but actively speaking, answering questions, and practicing with us in real time, because speaking is something you must do, not just understand.
Before we start, I want you to prepare yourself. Sit comfortably, relax your mind, and be ready to speak aloud. Do not just listen. When we ask questions, pause the video and answer in full sentences, because this is how your speaking skill will grow.
Let me ask you your first question. And please answer with a full sentence, not just one word. What is your name and why are you learning English speaking today?
For example, you can say, "My name is Ahmed, and I am learning English because I want to communicate with people and improve my career opportunities."
Or you can say, "My name is Sarah, and I am learning English because I want to travel and speak confidently with people around the world."
Very good. Now another question for you. What did you do this morning? And did you practice any English today?
You can answer like this. This morning I woke up early, had breakfast, and practiced English by listening to a podcast and repeating some sentences.
Or you can say, "I woke up late today, but I still tried to practice English by speaking to myself for a few minutes."
You see, learners, speaking English is not about perfect sentences. It is about expressing your real life using simple and clear English.
Now we are going to practice together. David, I will ask you a question, and learners should listen carefully, and then repeat your answer after you. David, how do you practice English speaking when you are alone and do not have a partner to speak with?
When I am alone, I practice English speaking by talking to myself, describing what I am doing, and repeating sentences that I hear from English videos and conversations.
That is excellent, and learners should try to do the same. Even if you are alone, you can speak English every day and improve your confidence slowly.
Now, let's go deeper into a real situation. Many learners say, "I understand English, but when I try to speak, my mind becomes empty." This happens because they do not practice speaking regularly.
So let's train your mind now. I will give you a situation, and you must describe it in English. Imagine you are sitting in your room right now. What do you see?
You can say, "I am sitting in my room, and I see a table, a chair, and a phone on the table."
Or you can say, "My room is quiet and clean, and I feel comfortable studying English here every day."
Now you try. Speak out loud and describe your room in at least 2 or 3 sentences. Now let's practice another situation. A phone call conversation.
Hello, David. How are you today? And are you available to practice English speaking with me this evening?
Hello, Emma. I am doing well today. And yes, I am available. I would like to practice English speaking because I want to improve my fluency.
That is great. Practicing regularly will help you speak more naturally and confidently over time. Now, let's talk about fear. Many learners feel shy and afraid when they try to speak English. They think, what if I make a mistake?
But listen carefully. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new.
For example, a learner might say, I go yesterday to market.
The correct sentence is, I went to the market yesterday.
If you correct your mistakes and keep practicing, your speaking will improve step by step.
Now let's do a longer conversation about daily life. Emma, can you tell me what you did yesterday and how you practiced your English speaking during your day?
Yesterday, I worked during the day, and in the evening, I practiced English speaking by describing my day and listening to a podcast. I also repeated some sentences to improve my pronunciation.
That is very good. Repetition is very important because it helps your brain remember words and sentences.
Now, let's practice questions and answers again. David, why is daily practice important for improving English speaking skills?
Daily practice is important because it helps you build confidence, improve fluency, and become comfortable using English in real-life situations.
What is the best way to start speaking if someone is a complete beginner?
The best way is to start with simple sentences about daily life and practice speaking every day without worrying about mistakes.
Now, learners, repeat after us slowly and clearly. I practice English speaking every day to improve my confidence and fluency.
I speak slowly and clearly so that people can understand me easily.
I am not afraid of making mistakes because mistakes help me learn.
I use simple sentences to express my ideas in English every day.
Now, let's give you one final challenge. Describe your full day from morning to evening in English using at least 5 sentences. Speak slowly and clearly.
This exercise will help you think in English, build sentences, and improve your speaking naturally.
Dear learners, remember, you do not need perfect grammar or difficult vocabulary to speak English well. You need practice, confidence, and consistency.
Speak every day, even if it is only for 10 minutes. Use simple English and do not be afraid of mistakes.
With time, your speaking will become natural and you will feel more confident in conversations.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never give up on your English journey.
We will see you in the next episode. Until then, take care and keep speaking English every day.